In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell food on TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to list your food product so it looks professional, meets platform expectations, and is ready for customers to discover. First, open your TikTok Shop account and make sure you're signed into the Seller Center. This is your dashboard for adding and managing products. Once you're in, look for the Products section. This is where all your listings live and where you'll create new ones. Go ahead and click Add Products. This opens the product creation page. You'll start by uploading images of your food item. Use clear, well-lit photos that show the product and its packaging. Include a clean front shot, a close-up, if texture matters, and, if available, a photo of the label or nutritional panel. Avoid cluttered backgrounds so your product is the focus, and make sure the images honestly represent what the buyer will receive. Next, add the name of your product. Keep it specific and informative so shoppers understand it at a glance. A helpful format includes the product type, flavor or variety, and size or quantity. For example, Artisan Granola Honey Almond 400 g. Clear names make search results more accurate and help build trust. Now choose the category. Select food as the main category, then pick the most specific subcategory that fits your item, such as snacks, baked goods, sauces, or beverages. Accurate categorization improves discoverability and ensures your listing is reviewed under the correct guidelines for food products. After that, enter the description of your food. Aim for clarity and completeness. Include what it is, flavor profile, key ingredients, and any common allergens. If relevant, add storage instructions, shelf life, or best by information, serving suggestions, and how to use or prepare it. If your product is packaged, note the net weight or quantity. Keep the tone honest and helpful, and avoid exaggerated or medical claims. Clear, transparent descriptions reduce buyer questions and increase confidence in your brand. When everything looks good, click Submit for review. TikTok will check your listing for accuracy, image quality, and policy compliance, especially important for food. Review times can vary, so be patient. If you receive a request for changes, adjust your images, category, or description as needed and resubmit. That's it. Open your TikTok Shop account, go to Products, click Add Products, upload great images, name the product clearly, select food and the right subcategory, write a thorough description, and submit for review. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be on your way to selling your food on TikTok Shop with confidence.